In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve project management issues with Asana. If your projects often feel disorganized, delayed, or difficult to track, this guide will help you understand how to use Asana to bring structure, clarity, and control back into your workflow. To begin, the first step is recognizing what is actually causing the issues in your project management process. Most challenges typically fall into a few common areas, such as unclear task ownership, missed deadlines, inconsistent communication, or a lack of visibility across work. Asana provides tools that directly address each of these problems when used correctly and consistently. If your team struggles with unclear responsibilities, the solution starts with assigning every task to a single, clearly defined owner. Each task should belong to one person to ensure accountability. When responsibility is shared too loosely or left undefined, tasks are more likely to be delayed or overlooked. For issues with deadlines being missed, it is important to consistently apply due dates to all tasks. Setting realistic timelines helps keep work moving at a steady pace. Encouraging team members to update deadlines when priorities change also keeps schedules accurate. Using the My Tasks view allows each individual to stay aware of what is due next, helping reduce last-minute pressure. When communication becomes scattered across different platforms, it is more effective to centralize discussions within Asana itself. Using task comments to share updates, ask questions, and tag teammates keeps all relevant information in one place. This reduces confusion and ensures nothing important gets lost in separate conversations. If your project feels disorganized, structure becomes essential. Organizing tasks into clear sections such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed helps visualize progress. For more detailed workflows, sections can be adjusted to match the specific stages of your team's process, making it easier to understand the current status of work at a glance. To improve visibility, take advantage of different project views. The list view supports detailed tracking, the board view provides a more visual workflow, and the timeline view helps identify overlaps and potential delays before they become issues. Inconsistent processes can be improved by using standardized project templates, consistent naming practices, and uniform field structures. This helps ensure that everyone follows the same workflow without needing repeated instructions. To reduce repetitive manual effort, automation through rules can be used to assign tasks, update statuses, or move work between stages automatically. This minimizes errors and improves efficiency. Finally, regular project reviews are important. Using dashboards and reports allows you to identify what is working well and what needs adjustment, helping you continuously refine your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.